Okay, so got another project here. Got myself my mechanic tweezers because of what needs to be done, and this is what I've been given to fix. Okay, so what I have here to fix today is this. This is a Ryzen, as you can see, 5800X. If you look at the pins, oh my god, look at this. Hopefully, I'm actually gonna speed this along and work on this thing and see exactly how it looks after I've straightened out all these pins. Okay. Let's have a look at the CPU so far. So CPU, I've been working on this thing for just a bit and managed to straighten out most of the bent pins thanks to this thing here, this needle nose pliers. So thankfully I was able to straighten those out. Now if you do want to be precise, you can use something like this assembly tool. So again, any credit card would do, but just go through each channel just to make sure everything's right. And when you put the actual card, card into one of the channels like this, just to move it about like that, so that way you've got a clear passage with no obstruction. That way when you do sit this into your socket, it will just sit back in nice and snug. So now the job is completed. I think it came out pretty well. Straightening out every pin. Just checking, just make sure the pins are aligned okay. They seem okay. There's some little slight off, just a bit off from there. Edges need to be sharpened up. But yeah, this is coming together pretty well, considering that these pins were completely bent at a 90 degrees angle. Virtually impossible for them to be fixed without replacing the entire pin bar. I was able to actually sort it out. And yeah, so if you guys need some help out there, that is the best way to get yourself some mechanic tweezers, very fine tweezers, and get yourself something like this thin card, or just use a credit card, preferably ones with that's got a clean edge where you can actually put them into the actual grooves and slide them across just to make sure the pins are straight. Okay, this has been Ace. Hope this was helpful. I'll see you guys next time. Ace out.